Well, here it is. Halloween. Baby's first Halloween. And baby, what are you? Let's guess what baby is. Baby has a little tail. Baby has little ears. Baby has a carrot somewhere around here. There's the carrot. And baby has little whiskers. And a nose. Hi. Oh, just standing by yourself. That's good. Yeah. And oh baby. Let's see. I think you are a bunny. Is that right, baby? Is that right? Are you a bunny? Who are you looking at? Oh, the kitty cat. Hi. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. Okay, that's a little close. Ooh. Okay, we better go. Attack of the big baby bunny. I think baby bunny wants something from me. Huh?